All right, what is up, guys? We're back with another E30 build video, and today we have some nice parts. So we got the grip royal steering wheel in NRG quick release. I think it looks dope, and they sent some stickers and then the little mirror thing. I thought it was pretty dope. There's the other piece of it right there. That goes to the hub. And then I've got a short hub that we're gonna install. That's right here. Boom. So yep, I'm just gonna set the camera up and we will start. Put it right here. Boom. There we go. Since my gimbal is dead for now, I'm just using it as a stand. Ow, that kind of hurt my foot kneeling down like that for so long. Cool. Let's see. Pop that shit out. Bing, bing. Where do that? Oh yeah, this man's got it. Yeah, I'm gonna be making the joke that there's no airbag. And then this shit's gonna hit me in the face right now.
You know it'll work.
It really hurt though. Sometimes a wrench would be like, ah.
Yeah, that'll hurt. Get up in the hospital, probably. Call to work like I'm in the hospital.
Yeah.
What did you do? Took the steering wheel off, blew up in my face.
For real. That actually was like, I told my buddy I was doing Hurtado at work. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna put a steering wheel in my car. And he's like, oh man, dude, it's gonna hit you in the face. And I was like, what?
He's just trying to set you up for failure.
He's just trying to scare me. I was like,
I want the new SRT wheel.
I was like, you're not gonna scare me. Well, the good news is this car was originally red.
Originally red?
Yeah, because you can tell on the inside of here.
Oh. Yeah. There's a little clip.
It's just hard to get off. I hope that's all it is.
Actually take the steering wheel off. You're gonna have to turn your ignition or key halfway.
Okay.
You don't want to turn it off, just halfway. And then you can start slowly taking it off. Taking off your steering wheel.
That was simple.
Well, now you know what to do, just put it back on and we can
Okay.
record that shit.
Okay, turn my fucking video back on.
That's funny as shit. Don't turn your car off. You can explain that shit. The simplest thing ever. You ready?
It's all good.
Oh shit, we missed all that and didn't record?
Yeah, no worries. So I just got this this piece on and the short hub. I'm not sure exactly what it didn't record, but steering wheel's off. And that was really easy because I don't have airbags or anything, and there's not like any Torx T20s on the back. You literally just pop this cap off and then get in there, and it's a 22 socket. Pop that shit off, and then boom, the wheel, the piece of resistance. Fucking super excited about that. But yeah, this is all on and solid, so we're gonna try to see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So this hub's really weird how these work. You're supposed to like grab it like this and then pop this all the way forward. That should be it.
Oh, is that what that little button's for?
Ooh.
Ooh. Yeah, you're straight.
Ooh. It feels good.
Just need your horn cap now.
I'm just doing the horn cap. But until then, Get a little tape. Fucking boop.
I don't think that's
BMW.
gonna work.
Boom, just like that. Mint.
I would go print you off a BMW sticker.
Yeah. That's funny. That'd be cool, like a little BMW, like right here.
Dude, do that. Like the M Sport BMW sticker?
Yeah.
That'd be pretty cool.
M Sport. That would be sick.
Do that.
Dude, it feels racy.
It's got
I'm
some
not
grip
even-
on it. I like it.
I'm not even gonna lie.
I'd love to have my steering wheel like that.
It's synthetic suede. It's supposed to be. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I gotta put the piece of resistance on my chain.
You want to start with the chain?
Yeah, it's all right. Yeah, or I could just wrap it.
Yo, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, keep it real.